Hi friends! My name is Miss Gabby. Let's learn how to make the letter B in sign language. Are you ready? Here we go! This is how you make a B, make a B, make a B. This is how you make a B in sign language. Good job, friends! Now, let's take a look inside of our mystery box to see what's hiding today. I can't wait to see what there is. A boat. A banana. And finally, a bee. Boat, banana, and bee all start with the letter B. Now, let's watch a video about bees. Bees are insects with fuzzy bodies and 4 wings. Bees are closely related to wasps and ants. They are best known for their role in the pollination of flowers and flowering plants. You may know the western honeybee, which is known for producing honey. Bees